division method. First you see 12 and 18. 18, 12, 1, 12, 6 come, then 12 come here, 2 times 12, 0. So 6 get. Okay. Now you check 6 and 24. 24, 4 times 24, 0. So 6 is also divisible of 24. Also we get the 0 as a remainder. So 6 is the HCF of 12, 18, 24. Okay. Next, exercise 3.5. Exercise 3.5. Which of the following pairs are co-primes? Let me check. Number 1, which of the following primes are pairs of number are co-primes? Co-primes is if two numbers are there, if one numbers are not a factor of another number, it means if smaller number is not a factor of bigger number, then both have only one common factor, which is 1. So this is called co-primes. We already discussed. So let me check my division method. 1 and 2. 1, 12 and 30. 30 divided by 2. 1 times 12 come 12. Then we will get sorry. 12 divided by 30. 2 times 24, 6 will come, then 12 again come, 2 times 12, 0. So we get 6 is HCF of 12 and 30. So this is not a co-primes. So 12, 30 are not co-prime. So by this method, next number 2, 18 and 22 to 21. Let me check. 8, 21 divided by 2 times 16. 5 will come 8, 1, 5, 3, 3, 5. 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So 1 is left. So this is 8 and 21 have no common factor. So no common factor. So 8 and 21 is co-prime. So 8 and 21 have no common factor except 1. So except 1, 8 and 21 have no common factor. So 8 and 21 is a co-prime. So by this method you can check. Number 6, 144, 180 and 190. First you check this one. 180 divided by 144. 1 time 144, 6, 36 will come. Then 144. Then how many times? 136 into 4. 36 into 4, 6, 24, 4, 2 go, 4, 134, 0. So 36 is the common factor of 36 is HCF of 144 and 180. Now 36 divide onto 192. How many times? Let me check. 36 into 5, 3 gone, 8, 5 times 180, 12 coming, 36 here 3 times 36 0. So 12 we got. 12 is a common factor of 192. So 12 is HCF of 144, 180 and 190. So this is the division method. You find the next number 4. Number 4, number 2. 289 by 391. Let me check by division method. 391, 289. So how many times will come? 289 one time. So 2102, 289 2 times 204, 585, 102, 1 time 85, 17, 85, 5 times 85, 0. So HCF we got HCF is 17. So if we divide 289 by 17 and 389 by 391 by 17, and we will get now 289 divided by 17 and 391 divided by 17. Then we will get 17 and here 23. So reduce from 289, 391 is 17 by 21. So this is the answer. This is called in lowest. Number 5. Find the greatest number. Find the greatest number which divides the number 75 and 55 and leave 3 and 6 respectively. The next, number 5. Number 5. Find the greatest number which divides the number 75 and 54, leaves 3 and 6 also. So now 20 minus 75 minus 3 equal to 72 and 54 minus 6 equal to 54 minus 6 equal to 40. Now the find the greatest number. Now HCF by division method. By division method, 72, 48, one time 48, 4, 2 4 will come, 48 again come, 2 times 48, 0. So by division method, we got HCF of 48 and 72 is 24. So find the greatest number. So the greatest number which divides the divides the numbers 75 and 54 and leaves 3 and 6 respectively is 24. The greatest number which divides the number 75 and 54 and divides and leaves 3 and 6 as respectively is 24. So 24 is the answer. Next, number 6. Find the greatest number which divides 228, 305, 382, leaving the remainders 357 respectively. So 3 subtract from 228, 5 subtract from 305, 7 subtract from 382. Then you find the HCF by division method. Number 7 also. Number 7, 5 subtract from 245 also and 1029 also. 3 piece of number 8, 3 piece of 54 prime bar, 54, 36, 24 long have to be divided into planks of the same length, which is greatest possible length of each plank. So same process. Number 9 also same process. 6 meters, 58 centimeter, 6.5 meter, 9.4 meter, 11.28 meter. You can say 658 centimeter, 940 centimeter, and 1128 centimeter. Then you find the HCF. Number 10. A room measure 4.8 meter and 5.04 meter. Find the size of the length square tile, longest square tile that can be used to tile the floor without cutting any tiles. Number 10. Number 10, measure is 4.8 meter and 5.04 meter. So it means 4.8 meter equal to 480 centimeter. 5.04 meter equal to 504 centimeter. So if we divide now, calculating HCF by division method, is 480 504 one time, 480 424 480 20 480. So HCF is, now calculating method is, calculating HCF by division method is, we got this. What right calculating actually by division method. Now HCF of 480 centimeter and 504 centimeter is 24 centimeter. So answer is the longest square tile. So longest square tile is 24 centimeter or 0.24 meter. Longest square tile is the HCF of the both numbers. The longest square tile that can be used to tile a floor without cutting any tiles. Find the size of the square. 2 buckets can hold 272 liter and 425 liter of water respectively. Find the capacity of longest bucket. So same process, you just find HCF by division method. Number 12 also same. So now we can start LCM. Next, 3.5 is finished. Now it's time for LCM. LCM is lowest common multiples. LCM. LCM is the lowest common multiples. By prime factorization method and by division method we can find LCM. We can find LCM by number one prime factorization method by division. This is the way to find LCM. Prime factorization method. First, we used prime factorization. Exercise 3.6. In 3.6, we can use the prime. 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Now see, here 2 3 times, here 2 1 times. Okay, so LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 is coming. So here 3 1 time, 3 here 2 times. So 3 into 3 is coming. So this is the LCM. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3, 8 into 3, 24, 24 into 3, 70. So LCM of 24 and 18 is 70. So this is the, you can write here by prime factorization method, using prime factorization method. Here using prime factorization. So you can write that using prime factorization. Next, number 3. 21, 28 and 36 using prime factorization. 21 is 3 7, 28 is 2 14, 2 17, 36 is 2 18, 2 9, 3 3. So 21 equal to 3 into 7, 28 equal to 2 into 2 into 7, 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. LCM is 3 1 times, here no 3, here 3 1 times. So 3 is not coming because here no 3. 7 7, no 7. Okay, 3 only 1 time, and 2 how many times maximum? 2 times, 2 times. So 2 into 2 will come, then 3 2 times, here 1 time. So 3 into 3 comes here, and another 7 into 7. The answer is 2 into 2 maximum times, 2 into 2, 3 into 3 maximum times here. So we will choose the maximum times 7 only 1 time. 4 9, 4 into 9 7. Here the answer is next. Next, division method of LCM. The division method to find LCM. Division method. Here 3.69. Division method to find LCM. So how to divide the numbers to find LCM? Okay. Let me check for any two numbers for 12 and 20. So division, how to divide 12 and 20. So divide 2 6 times 10 times. Again 2 3 times 5 times. Again 3 1 times. 5 is not divisible, so 5 is 5. Again 5 1 times and 1 time. So now 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 equal to 2 into 2 4 60. 15 4 60. So 60 is LCM of 12 and 20. So this is the process to find LCM by division method. Next, exercise 3.7. Exercise 3.7. Determine the LCM of following numbers by division method. Number 1, 6, 8, 45. Finding LCM by division method is 6, 8, 45. Now divide 2 3 times and 4 times. 45 is not divisible, so 45 is 45. Then divide 3 1 times, 4 is not divisible, 45 is 15 times. Here 4 1 1 15 is 15. Here 3 again 1 1 5 times 5 1 1 5. So now 1. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 4 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 1 into 1. So we get 22 6 into 4 24 into 3. Okay, wait. 3 into 3 9 into 4 36 into 10 360. So 360 is the LCM of this 6 8 and 45. Yes, 360 is the LCM of this number. Next, find the lowest natural number which, when divided by 15, 20, 25, 45, leaves a remainder 8 in each case. Find the natural number is divided by 15. LCM of 15, 20, 25 and 45 is 20, 15, 25, 45. You just divide 5 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 5 times. Again by 3 1 times, 4 times, 5 times and 3 times. Then again 3 1 4 5 1. Again 5 1 4 1 1. Again 2 1 2 1 1. Then 2 1 1 1 1. The LCM is 5 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 2. 5 into 3 into 3, 5 into 3 into 3, 5 into 2 into 2. The answer is 900. So 900 is LCM of 15, 20, 25, 45. If after leaves, okay, so if the remainder is 8, then the number, the required number is 900 plus 8 equal to 908. So this is the answer. Next, find the least number divisible by is, okay. This is the division method used. Find the lowest smallest number, okay. What is the smallest 5-digit number exactly divisible? 5-digit number is exactly divisible by. So you just find the LCM of 72 and 8108. You can directly find out. Next, number 17 is also divisible from 18. Number 18. Find the least number from which 26 is subtracted. The result is exactly divisible by 16, 24 and 36. Number 18. Number 18. Find the least number which is the 24. Which 26 is subtracted. The result is exactly divisible by. Now we'll find the LCM of 16, 24, 36. Now LCM of 16, 24 and 36 is 16, 24, 36. 2, 8, 12, 18. Again 2, 4, 6, 9. Again 2, 2, 3, 9. Again 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. The LCM is 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now see the LCM is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 9. 150, 144. Now see, which number, the least number, which the least number from which 26 is divisible. The least number is 144 plus 26 equal to 170. So 170 is the least number which the subtract 26 from 170, then you will got 144, which is 144 is the LCM of both all three numbers. Is it the answer? Yes, 170. Now the properties of LCM and HCF of properties of LCM and HCF is the product of two numbers. That two numbers is, if asking the find the LCM of these two number, find the HCF of these two number, then you get that two number. The product of two numbers is HCF into LCM. The properties of HCF and LCM is Again, LCM equal to product of two number by HCF. Again, HCF equal to product of two number by LCM. So this is 3.8, exercise 3.8. For each of the following pairs, the numbers, verify the relationship between HCF and LCM. For 164 and 84. Okay, now find HCF of 64 and 84 is by division method. You can use by division method. 64, 84. 1 times 64, 0. 64. 3 times 60, 4, 20. 5 times 20. So HCF is 4. Okay, now LCM of 64 and 84 is by division method. 64, 84. And 2 times 32, 42. Again 2, 16, 21. Into 8, 21. 4, 2, 21. 3, 2, 7. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into again another 2 into 3 into 4 into 7 equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 1 time, 4 1 time, and 7 1 time. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 7 equal to 100. Now we check the properties of both numbers. Now checking the relationship of numbers with LCM and HCM. Now product of numbers is 64 into 84 equal to 64 into 84 equal to 5376. Next, another line for this one, and the product of LCM and HCM. LCM equal to 1344 into HCM equal to 4. So now find 1344 into 4. Yes, 5376. So the property is follow. Find the following relationship. So this is equal to this one. So all are equal. So these two numbers follow the properties of HCF, LCF, and the numbers. So verified. Next, number 2. Find HCF and LCM to find of the following pairs of the number. So this is the already we discussed in the previous number. Number 3, the HCF and LCM of two numbers is 8 and 56, 576 respectively. If one number is 64, find the other numbers. Number 3. Given HCF equal to 8, LCM equal to 576. One number equal to 64. Now we know one number into another number will HCF into LCM. So one number is 64, another number is I don't know. HCF is 8 into 576. Another number is 8 into 576 by 64. 8 divided by 8 times and 576 divided by 8 is 7. So another number is 22. So by this method we can find the missing number. Next, the product of two numbers is 864. If the LCM is 72, what is their HCF? So HCF is the product of the number division by LCM. So it is given is 864 divided by 72. You will get the HCF. Next, the product of two numbers is 6400. If the HCF is 16, find the LCM. Same process. 6400 divided by 16, then you will get the LCM. Numbers, can two numbers have 14 as their HCF and 276 is their LCM? Give reason. Can two numbers, this is no, answer is no. Number 7, the HCF of two number is 145 and their LCM is 2176. If the one of the number is given, the other, that's already given. Now find the HCF and LCM of 1224 and 1768. You just do homework. Number 9, the LCM of two co-primes is 4875. If one of the number is 75, then find the others. The LCM of two co-primes is number 9. LCM of two co-primes is 4875. So co-prime means only one common factor. Both have no HCF. If the one number is 75. For common number, for co-prime, HCF is equal to 1. So now one number into another number equal to HCF into LCM. One number is 75. Another number equal to HCF into 1 and LCM is 4875. Another number is 1 into 4875 by 75 equal to 76. 65. So another number is 65. So another number is 65. So this is the answer. Okay. Next, number 10. The HCF of 276 and 1242 is 138. Find the LCM. So HCF is given, both number is given. So find LCM. Equal 8, number 9. Okay. So our chapter is finished. The multiple choice question is given. This is your homework. Just practice in your home. Then review exercise. This is all our homework for you. So our class is over and this chapter is finished. In next class we will discuss about the next chapter. Okay.